Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Home Depot stock step by step clearly. Research Home Depot's financial health and performance history. Visit reliable financial news websites to gather relevant information. Check the company's annual reports and earnings releases. Analyze Home Depot's stock performance over the past few years. Consider market trends in the home improvement industry. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform with low fees. Complete the registration process by providing necessary personal information. Verify your identity as required by the brokerage. Fund your brokerage account with the amount you wish to invest. Locate Home Depot stock using its ticker symbol, HD. Review the current stock price and any recent news that may affect it. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. Enter the number of shares and review the order details. Submit the order and confirm the transaction once executed. Monitor your investment periodically to track performance. Stay informed about any changes in Home Depot's business operations or industry dynamics. Consider setting investment goals to assess your strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.